Standard students, now I am going to start your revision part of class 9, that is surface areas and volumes. Surface area and volumes. In surface area and volume, the first question I am going to discuss. So in the message I have WhatsApp I have sent that you have to practice all the formulas and all the definitions. So see here surface area and volumes. So see here first question I am going to discuss from this is find the volume of right circular cone with radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. See the question. Find the volume of the right circular cone with the radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. So whatever I am doing the revision videos, you have to practice all the questions in your practice time in the rough book or in the homework book, and you have to send me on WhatsApp number. Okay, so see here first again question. Find the volume of right circular cone with the radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. First I will write the given thing. So given R is equals to we have 6 centimeter, H that is height is equals to 7 centimeter. So we already know that is volume of right circular cone. So volume of right circular cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is the formula of right circular cone, that is 1 by 3 pi is your 22 by 7 r square, that is r into r, that is 6 into 6, and your height is 7. Okay, so see here this 7 get cancelled. This is 3 ones are 3 twos are. So okay, it's okay. So 22 into 2 is, that is 2 twos are 4, 44 into 6 here do 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24 plus 2, that is 26. It's 264 centimeter cube. Okay, so see here, find the volume of right circular cone with the radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. So given R is equals to 6 centimeter and H is equals to 7 centimeter. So volume of right circular cone they are given as 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is a formula to find volume of right circular cone. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 as it is, your pi is 22 by 7. R is, that is r square, 6 into 6 into 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 22 into 2 is, that is 44. 44 into 6. So 44 into 6 if I do, you are getting as 264 centimeter cube. Second one more question I am going to solve, that is find the surface area of radius. Find the surface area of radius 14 centimeter. So see here radius is given. Okay, if the diameter is given, then r is equals to d by 2, that is 14 by 2 is equals to 7 centimeter. But here given find the area of the sphere. Find the area of sphere of radius 14 centimeter. Find the area of sphere of radius 14 centimeter. So we know that r is equals to, now you are having given 14 centimeter, and area of sphere you are having the formula as, that is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7 r square. R square you are getting 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So getting 22 into 4 is 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So 88 into 14 into 2 is 28. So if you multiply this 88 into 28, I am getting as 2464 centimeter square. Okay, so once again see the question. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 14 centimeter. If diameter is given, then r is equals to d by 2, that is 14 by 2. Getting r is, if diameter is given, d is given, then r is equals to d by 2, that is 14 by 2, you are getting as 7 centimeter. But here directly they are given as radius 14 centimeter. Just use the formula directly. Area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7, r is equals to 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 22 into 4 is 88, 14 twos are 28. So 14 twos are 28, 88 into 28, if you multiply, you are getting the answer as 2464 centimeter square. See, one more question I am going to solve from surface area and volumes. So see your third question. The height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of cone. The height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of cone. So we know that slant height is equals to, we have the formula, that is L square is equals to R square plus H square. So L square is equals to R square plus H square, means R square is equals to, you have L square minus H square. That is R is equals to root of L square minus of H square. Okay, so you need to find the radius. So given L is equals to, they are given as, that is how much, 28 square, and H they are given as 21 square. So we know the formula of A square minus B square. I can write this as 28 plus 21, and this I can write as 28 minus of 21. So if I solve this, 28 plus 21 you are getting as 49 into this, you will get 28 minus 7. So take root, that is 49 is a perfect square. Okay, so just to take 49 outside, you are getting as 7 root 7, that is 7 root 7 centimeter. Okay, so first you have to find, this is your R. So R, that is L square. Slant height you are having as L square is equals to R square plus H square. R square you are to find, R square is equals to, you have L square minus of H square. R is equals to root of, that is L square minus of H square. So that is root of 28 square minus of 21 square. So we have, that is A square minus B square formula. So A plus B into A minus B, that is 28 plus 21 into 28 minus of 21. So 28 plus 21 you are getting as 49 into 28 minus 20 you are getting as 7. So R is equals to 7 root 7 centimeter square. So we have volume of cone. Volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7. R square is equals to, we have, that is 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into h. So what is your h? H is your 21. Okay, so this 7 get cancelled, and this is 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So after simplifying, so what is remaining, that is 22 into root 7 into 7 into, that is root 7 into 7 you are getting. Okay, so 22 you are getting, 7 sevens are 49, and root 7 into root 7 whole square. So square and root get cancelled. So remaining is 22 into 49 into 7. So if you multiply this 22 into 49 into 7, you are getting as 7546 centimeter cube. Why it is centimeter cube? Because we are calculating the volume of cone. So volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into 21. So that is 7 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Okay, so 22 into root 7 into 7 into root 7 into 7. 7 getting as 49, root 7 into 7 you are getting as, root and square get cancelled, so remaining is only 7. So 22 into 49 into 7 getting as 7546 centimeter cube. One more question from your solved example. A shot put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. The density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the shot put. Since the shot put is solid sphere made up of metal and its mass is equals to the product of its volume and density, we need to find the volume of this sphere. So volume of sphere is equals to, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 is your pi value. R is equals to 4.9 into 4.9 into 4.9. If you multiply this, if you do simplification, you are getting nearly as 493 centimeter cube. So further we have mass of 1 centimeter cube of metal is 7.8 gram. Therefore mass of the shot put is equals to 7.8 into 493 gram. So the appropriately you are getting as 3845.44 gram, which is equals to this. This is in the gram. Convert this in the form of kilogram. So that is 3.85. So 3.85 kilogram nearly you are getting. So I hope so you understood this.